Someone here feels that you are judging them, Divine Collective. Spirit says their spirit is dirty, but this is someone who keeps their hands clean. They feel that you're judging them, but they have a dirty spirit. Confirmation. The cat agrees. Divine Collective, nothing that is for you will require you to act out of your character to get it. Remember that, okay? Absolutely nothing. You're someone who thrives in darkness. You are the chosen one. I'm getting passionate, flirty energy here, Divine Collective. Possible relationship on the horizon that I'm picking up on. Someone is watching you rewrite your story. Take your power back, Divine Collective. They're watching you do this without this inheritance, Divine Collective. This is someone that is watching you take back everything that was taken from you, and you're doing it with the bare minimum, Divine Collective. I'm getting new money, old money, birthright. Someone wants to grow old with you, Divine Collective. You have someone here giving you the evil eye, possibly giving this person the evil eye, Divine Collective. This is a liar. Someone that was lying about your health. They were gossiping about your health. I'm getting the Page of Swords here. You've learned a lot of lessons in life, Divine Collective. Spirit says you are a starseed. I'm getting Earth Angel. And whoever this is, they are not of the light, okay? Again, their spirit is dirty, but this is someone who keeps their hands very, very clean, okay? Spirit says this is not over. Or someone is trying to tell Spirit that this is not over, that they're going to get back together with you. What? Because you are the love of their life, and they're not accepting this. Someone is not... Come on. We have someone here not accepting that this is over, Divine Collective. Look, sore loser. I cannot make this up. This is a sore loser, Divine Collective. They don't want to hear it, Spirit says. They don't want to hear that they lost, that they got to move on, that you're moving on, that you're happy, Divine Collective, that you're not interested. They don't want to hear it. They might want to stop listening, okay? This is someone who tried to control your mind, Divine Collective, okay? This is someone who may have even had children with you, thinking that this would control you as well. But they couldn't control you, Divine Collective. You broke out of the box, okay? They could not put you in a box. Maybe they did for a while, okay? But you broke free. And that's all that matters. That's all that matters. Spirit says this person did you very foul. You know that. You have a history with this person, possibly a Scorpio, I'm getting. On to the next, Divine Collective. On to the next, okay? This person cannot reach you. They cannot break you. You have wish fulfillment. You might be seeing 1111, Divine Collective. You have new assignments here. A lot of you have new assignments. Now they want to take back everything that they've done, I'm hearing, and make you one of their top priorities. Spirit said it's all about the heart space. I've been getting that a lot lately, Divine Collective. A lot to do with the heart, working on the heart. The initial R is here, first, middle, or last initial, Divine Collective. Someone wants to communicate with you ASAP. Someone maybe is going within. I'm getting like a soul searching, going within type of feeling, Divine Collective. I feel that if someone does this, they're going to want to communicate with you immediately, right away. I feel like if they go within, if they do this soul search, okay, they're going to have some type of revelation, Divine Collective. 4:44 on the clock. This is someone who feels that they ran into you for a reason, that they have some type of purpose with you in this world, Divine Collective, but they did you foul. They did you foul. Spirit is exposing this person for doing something in the darkness where they thought no one could see them. Again, soul dirty, hands clean. This is a family member, possibly. The initial R. Extremely jealous, Divine Collective. There's been a backfire to a group of people here who are now haunted. They're being tortured. I'm picking up on burdens, injuries here. Family member being of significance. The gatekeeper is here, 1222. I feel like that someone tried to approach the gatekeeper here, Divine Collective, something about you, and the gatekeeper picked up on this person being false. I'm getting like a false person, and the gatekeeper kicked this person out. What's this about, Spirit? 1222. Spirit said, stay fully dedicated to your spiritual mission. You'll show up where and when you need to, Divine Collective, per the Most High God. A lot of you are on new assignments, okay? Spirit says there is a reason, there is a meaning in this experience, okay? I'm getting legal documents. Earth Angel double confirmation. Your prayers are magical, Spirit says. Your teardrops are magical. The sound of you crying. Something is going to be coming out publicly soon, Divine Collective. Your spirit guides are absolutely warning you about someone, Divine Collective, in your energy that is trying to confuse you. They're desperate to get back into your energy, okay? To know your worth means nobody gets to decide it for you, Divine Collective. That's really big for me, because for a big portion of my life, you know, I allowed the world to tell me who I was and what I wanted to do, who I wanted to be, Divine Collective. You know, you never really think about it, but when you're asked questions like, what do you want to eat? I've always been the type of person to be like, I don't know, whatever you want. Now I know, because I know what I want. I know who I am, okay? Before, Divine Collective, when you were asleep, it's so easy to allow the world to shape you into who they want you to be or who they think you should be. But you don't realize until you awaken how much, right? How much the world does that. So again, to know your worth means nobody gets to decide it for you. You have someone here that you were in a relationship with from your past, Divine Collective, that collaborated with family members to come up against you. Someone here even violated you in your dreams, okay? They will also be getting karma for this. You broke some type of demonic contract here. I got violated in my dreams a lot, Divine Collective. Not so much anymore, thank God, okay, that part of the journey is over with, but it was like every night, so much so that I was like, what is it with me? Is it something internally with me that is causing these dreams to be so sexual? Like, but I know it's not, Divine Collective. So I had to go within, do some healing, talk to God, you know, pray, and before long they started to kind of fade away. But when I tell you they were bad, Divine Collective. I was getting attacked very bad in the spiritual realm sexually, and it was very, very uncomfortable, okay? Spirit said that this war, or whatever this is that I'm picking up on, goes back lifetimes, okay? Goes back lifetimes. Spirit says they're out of time, I'm hearing. This is a failed attempt. It's not working. It's not going to work. Scratching is of significance, Divine Collective. Scratching. Someone may have did an itchy spell. I'm getting an itchy spell. If you've been itching a lot lately, like just certain parts of your body, Divine